everybody over 18 needs. The most important, I know you think it's probably a will, but it's a financial power of attorney. And my reason for saying that is that with the financial power of attorney, you have some assets. You're still alive when it's effective. That's what it's for, is when I'm still alive. And if for some reason I can't go and do the things I need to do financially, the power of attorney for finances allows me to choose somebody to make those decisions for me. So that's why I think it's most important, because if I'm sick and I need some care and I have money, I want them to spend it on me. I want them to be able to get it to take care of me, because my kids don't have enough money to take care of me. And that's what I've been saving it for, right? But without a financial power of attorney, nobody can get to it. How many of you have ever called Comcast when it's not in your name?
Try advanced disposal.
Okay, or advanced disposal, or any other utility. They will not talk to you, will they? And that's because they don't have the legal authority to give you any information. And that's just your cable or your garbage or something. That's nothing really important. So now if you start thinking about the authority to sell your house, or the authority to talk to the people that you get your pension from, or where you have some investments or 401k, they are not talking to anybody, they're not giving anybody any money unless you have a financial power of attorney. They like for those financial powers of attorney to be less than 3 years old too, because they feel like after 3 years, things could change. It's not possible in a lot of cases. So I'm not saying that you have to have one that's less than 3 years old, but you do need one if you don't have one. And they're not all the same. So every attorney creates these documents in their own way. It's not just a template that's out there that we just fill in your names. And I know that it would be easy to think that, but they all have different things in them. So our financial power of attorney is much more comprehensive than any that I've seen. And the reason is we are focused on these curveballs of life that are going to come all of our way. We've all had them before, we're going to get them again. And I want you to be in a position where whoever you've given the authority to, they can do anything they need to do financially for you, whatever curveball comes your way. I'm in the business of protecting people, and that's one of the ways that I do that. So our financial power of attorney is 29 pages long.
Oh, wow.
Yes. So if you have one that's 1 or 2 pages long, how do you think it's different? And the difference is the 1 or 2 pages doesn't cover everything. The 29 page probably covers more than you're ever going to need. But I don't want you to get down the road and somebody's trying to do something for you and they can't because your financial power of attorney doesn't have that much authority.